So hello everyone, I hope you are all fine and safe during this difficult period of COVID-19. So today we will learn how to join a Google Meet. Then we will also learn the basic components of the Google Meet. Okay, so let's start. So for attending or for joining Google Meet, I have to receive a mail in which there is a link of the Google Meet. For that I have to sign in my Gmail account. So this is written invitation. So this I am clicking on this mail and this mail is opened now, and you will find it is joining info, join with Google Meet. This is the link on which I have to click. But before clicking that, I want to show you the members who are going to join this meet, and then there is an attachment also. If you want to download this attachment, you can download from this. Okay, and you can also read about the brief description that it is there that hi, today we will learn how to join a meeting or video conference on Google Meet along with the basic functionality of it. You can after receiving the mail, you can click on yes, maybe, no as per your availability. So let's move on and click on the link which is given. I am clicking on the link. This is the link. As soon as I click on the link, there are this Google Meet is open, and there are two options, join now and present. We will learn about present later on, but just now join on. I will click on join on, but before that I must mute my microphone like this and the camera also, and then join now. Why we have to keep our microphone in the mute condition or the camera in the off position? This just to save the data. इससे बहुत डाटा बचता है और इंटरनेट बचाने के लिए हम ये सब करते हैं. इसके साथ साथ अगर हम अपना माइक्रोफोन जो है म्यूट पर नहीं रखेंगे, तो जब बहुत सारे पार्टिसिपेंट ज्वाइन कर जाएंगे तो एक जो साउंड होगा वो नॉइज़ में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, एंड देन वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू हियर द ऑडियो ईजिली और क्लियरली. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स join the meeting. Join now. After joining the meeting, the screen will come like this. Okay. Now you can see on the screen, if you click on the screen, you will find these three buttons. One is, it is written turn on microphone. If you click on this button, your microphone will be turned on, and if you click on it, it will turn red. That means it is now off. Then this button is leave call. If you want to leave the meeting, you can click on it, then you will be out of this meeting. So at this moment I am not going to do this. Then camera. If you click on the camera, then see I am visible here. Okay, if I click on this, I am visible on the screen. And if you want to turn off this camera like this, you can turn off this camera. There are two more things which you should know is this symbol. Symbol is of people. This is a symbol of people. When you see here, it is written 2. That means we have 2 users just now, and I click on the people, then yes, two users, one is myself and one is the participant or the guest, my meeting guest. So this is, if now next button is chat button. If I want to ask some question or I want to give some message, for example, I am writing good morning, then it will be good morning to all. Then I have to click on the enter button, then this message is shown here. That means this message can be read by all. In the same way, you can also write some messages. Now after that, one more thing is left. There is a button called pinned. Suppose I click on this button, see, I want to pin this person, my one of my guests, for example this, then you can see him on the screen. Pin means you can freeze this button, this person, or you can tag this person. If you want to ask this person anything, then he will be available on the screen like that. So these are the 6 buttons. So I am repeating once again, buttons. This is microphone button, you can turn it on and off. This is leave button, you can leave the call or you can leave the meeting. This is camera button, you can turn and off the camera. And this is people, you can see the users or the members of the meeting. This is chat button, you can chat or you can raise question, you can ask your queries in by chatting on this, because it is always good to write in the chat box what you want to ask. Otherwise there will be so many members are there, so there will be a chaos, who is asking or who is not asking. If you want to raise a question, you can write there that I have a question, then the organizer can ask you to unmute your microphone and then you can ask the question. After that, I have told you about the tag button. This is tagging somebody, means you can see them on the screen. Now next important thing is about the attachment. Attachments are always shown here. I have already told you that they are in the mail also, and if you click on this, this is shown, attachment is there. Click on this. Now you can download this attachment from here. Okay. After this, see, there are 2 buttons here. One is present now. By clicking on this button, you can present your screen to the guest or the participants of the meeting. But on clicking the screen, you will see 3 options. If you want to share your window, if you want to share your entire screen, or if you want to share a Chrome tab. So here you should always try to click on this your entire screen. See, like this it will be open, and then you have to click on this, double click on this, and my screen is I'm showing my screen to the participants and it will be visible to the participants. Suppose I want my participant to share his or her screen, then how I will do? I will first stop sharing my screen and then ask the participant to share his screen. Now let's see how he will share. So sometimes internet issues are there. So now this participant is sharing his screen. Yes, you can see his screen now. So this is how you can share whatever you want by sharing the scene. Then after that you can, the participant may stop sharing his screen. Okay. So this is how to join a meeting, and these are the basic components of the meeting, the 6 buttons and how to present a screen. Thank you. So now children, I am going to tell you how to join Google Meet with the help of your mobile phone. So it is similar just as I have told you in by using laptop. So first of all you have to log in into your mail account. This is your mail account, and when you click on the mail, this is opening, and when you scroll it down you can see the blue link, which is the Google Meet link by which you can join the meet. And then you can see the members also, whose email ID is shown in the mail. There are 2 members, as you can see. Then whenever you receive a mail, when you open the mail, then you find these 3 options: yes, maybe, or no. So this means that you can acknowledge the mail by saying yes, or you can say maybe if you are not available, or if you can say no if you are not available. Now here you can see the attachments also, and you can download these attachments and go through them so that you get the clear guidelines about the meeting to be conducted. Then now I am going to click on the meeting link, which will take me to the Google app. See, now it is, this Google Meet app is opening, which I have downloaded in my mobile phone. Now whenever you this Google Meet app is opened, there are 2 options: ask to join and present. So first of all, there is no need to deal with the present. First of all, you have to join. Click on the join. But before clicking join, there are 2 buttons which are showing on the screen. That is, one is microphone button. As soon as you click on the microphone button, it is turned off. And when you click it again, the red color of this microphone button is gone, and your microphone is on. So whenever you are in meeting and you are listening to others, you should keep your microphone on mute mode. And whenever organizer asks you to speak or interact, then only you should unmute your button like this. Yes, another button is the camera button. You can turn it off, then you cannot be seen, and if you turn it on, then you are on the screen. Okay, now after turning off this button, I will join the meeting and click on ask to join. So the screen is now like this. Okay, I'll click on the screen. You can see those 2 buttons which I have told you. That is, one is microphone button, which is now in unmute position, and this is camera button, which is now in on position. Okay, and the center one is the button which, by clicking on which, you will leave the meeting. Okay, you will be out of the meeting. So I'm turning off these two buttons, and I'll tell you about and other features of the Google Meet. That is, one is people. People, and bracket में लिखा है 2, means there are 2 members in the meeting. I'll click on this, then you can see the 2 members. One is myself and another is the guest. Okay, and this is उसके साथ में एक और बटन नजर आ रहा है आपको, जिसको हम बोलते हैं चैट बटन. चैट बटन में आप कुछ भी, जब मीटिंग चल रही है एंड यू हैव सम क्वेरीज, देन यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस: सर, I have a question. Okay, then you can send it. The organizer will see your question and give you an opportunity to raise your question. Okay, so in this way you can chat also, but it is always advisable that if you have query, you should not interrupt in between. You should always raise your question by writing your question in the chat box. Okay, after this, now there is one more feature which is called pin. See, this is pin. So I am pinning myself, and if I'll pin myself and open this and turn on the camera, then you can see me. And I am pinned means I am getting tagged, I am getting freezed on the screen. This means that if I want to ask a question, or if I want myself to be seen by the members of the meeting, then I'll pin myself. Or if I want to pin other, for example, I am pinning my guest, or I am tagging my guest, or I am freezing my guest, then that means that I will my guest will get the chance to say or express himself or herself. So after that this is another if I click on this, I can find the attachments also. So I have told you that you can see your attachments from the mail as well as when you are working in the Google Meet. Okay, so you can find the attachments. After then, if you click on the your screen, you can find this CC and these 3 dots. CC means whatever you are speaking, it will be written on at the bottom, and you can see if your audio is not clear. And on clicking these 3 dots, you get these much of options, and the most important option is the present screen. Other options I have explained you. Present. So by clicking on the present screen, you can present your screen, or you can share your screen with the members and show what you want to display. Okay, thank you.